Hi, I'm Kayla, and my favorite kind of books are mystery, detective, and graphic novels. What is your name?
My name is Sachi.
My name is Sam.
Hi, my name is Violet.
What are your favorite kind of books?
My favorite kind of books are graphic novels.
My favorite kind of books are comic books.
My favorite kinds of books are books where people go on an adventure, what's not planned.
Do you know what an audiobook is?
Basically a story, but someone else is telling it to you.
A book that reads by itself.
It's a book, but on a computer, and you're having the computer tell it to you.
An audiobook is a book that you can listen to on your computer, phone, tablet, CD player, or other device. What story are we going to read today?
We are going to read Morris
Micklewhite and the Tangerine Dress.
By Christine Maldacino.
Okay, Christine Baldacchino.
Morris Micklewhite and the Tangerine Dress. By Christine Baldacchino and Isabel Malenfant. We are going to listen to a part from Morris Micklewhite that has a lot of sound effects. So try to listen to what different parts that we can make sounds. Mondays are great too, because on Mondays, Morris goes to school. Morris likes a lot of things about school. He likes to paint, he likes to do puzzles, he likes the apple juice at snack time, and singing the loudest during circle time. Most of all, Morris likes the dress-up center and the Tangerine Dress. Morris likes the color of the dress. It reminds him of tigers, the sun, and his mother's hair. He likes the noises the dress makes. Swish, swish, swish when he walks, and crinkle, crinkle, crinkle when he sits down. He takes turns wearing all the different shoes, but his most favorite ones go click, click, click across the floor. We are going to make different sound effects using the parts we hear in the book. So what parts do you think we can make sound effects for?
When he sits down, the dress goes crinkle, crinkle, crinkle.
I think that I could make the sound effects with the clicking shoes that Morris tries on.
The dress goes swish, swish, swish.
Can we find something in the house that we can make the swish, swish, swish sound with?
Yes. Actually, that'd be the curtains.
Can we find something in the house that we can make the crinkle, crinkle sound with?
Tinfoil.
Can we find something in the house to make the click, click, click of the shoes?
Tapping this pencil against the table. Morris likes a lot of things about school.
He likes to paint.
He likes to do puzzles.
He likes the apple juice at snack time.
And
Singing the loudest during circle time.
most of all, Morris likes the dress-up center and the Tangerine Dress.
Morris likes the color of the dress. It reminds him of tigers, the sun, and his mother's hair.
Likes the noise that the dress makes.
When he walks,
And
When he sits down.
he takes turns wearing all the different shoes. But his most favorite ones go
Across the floor.
Do you know any other books that have a lot of sounds to them? Because we love these noisy books. Albert's Quiet Quest by Isabel Arsenault. Shishi Etko by Nicola Campbell and illustrations by Kim Lefebvre. Nutcracker Night by Mireille Messier, illustrated by Gabrielle Grimard. The Magic Boat by Kit Pearson and Catherine Ferris, illustrated by Gabrielle Grimard. Check out the video description below for a link to audiobooks and sound effects, and also how you can make your own DIY audiobook and submit it to Biblio Video. Bye!
Bye, viewers at home.
Bye, viewers at home.
Sorry, that was just my dog.